Hello everyone, this is Saud here, and today I want to talk about our kids. Yes, and parenthood. As a parent myself, I have a child who is 3.3 years right now. We want to put our kids in the best schools, in the best colleges, in the MBAs, thinking that if they go there, life will be better. They'll get better jobs, they'll grow much, they'll earn more, they'll have a good lifestyle. But one thing we need to realize, the best of the best schools and colleges have a limitation. They work on curriculums which are being imposed by the standards in every city, every state, every country, whichever the institution is following. And another thing is, schools, they don't have the time for additional growth. And they're more focused on examinations. And what happens as a child, they end up forcefully learning things which they're not interested and memorizing, by hearting and gaining knowledge only for the exam purpose. And when they're in this cycle of forceful studying, they develop a big dislike towards books after graduation. And I'll be very honest, just like me and many others, most of us adults, well-educated people, stop to read books after graduation and only rely on the practical knowledge which our professional life or personal life is teaching. Knowledge from colleagues, friends, whatever you're learning, that's where we put a priority, but not on other books. The self-help books, the technical books, the entrepreneurship books outside there. We have a desire, but which does not convert into finishing the book or applying what you learned from the book. But I'll tell you one thing. From my personal experience, my parents put me into the best schools, colleges, sent me to the US to do my MBA because they did not have all that. And as a father, they wanted to provide the best. With whatever level of capacity I had, I did it. But when I moved to the corporate world in the US, I really suffered myself in my own inferior limitations, I would say. I could not negotiate in the board meeting. I could not speak out. I could not learn new skills because I was a slow learner. And I was only trying to do the daily tasks with limited knowledge and focus only on that. Anything new project, I would give excuses and come out. And because of my limited knowledge, I could not qualify myself for other projects, which led me getting out of the company, being jobless for a few months, and looking for the same level job in another company, and demanding more money, asking for the consultant, please try to help him to get more, give him more salary. And that is where it was for me. Until life really pushed me in a very dark state where I had to literally look for strategies on how I can learn new skills, new technologies faster so that I can go in the interview and speak confidently rather than be nervous and shake and say, I can't do it, I don't know. Say, yeah, I can do it. I can learn and look for solutions very faster. When that thing happened, when I was able to learn that, doors opened up for me. My career started growing up. And when I felt I found a solution, I came back to India and I started this ISP Read company where I started helping professionals, students, how do you read more books? So because for me, I found the real growth is in the books beyond textbooks, which helped me to negotiate, which helped me to know about different platforms, about opportunities, about career. How do I focus on my career growth rather than just on my work, and nothing else? How do I network with other people? And that really was my secret with whatever level of success I got. That is something which helped. As a parent, I want that thing to happen. I want to give that gift for my son. And as a parent yourself, you might be thinking the best to give to your kids. And that is when I thought, let's do something for our kids, because all of my students who have graduated, who are in the professional world, everyone said one thing: Saud, I wish I was taught speed reading when I was in school. Few also told my career would be different, my life would be different. I would have made better decisions. I would have not joined what my friends joined as a career, engineering. And when I kept on hearing this, and in fact, yesterday I had the same conversation, that's when I was like, this is important. We need to work on our kids. If we can help our kids to learn things faster, to read more books so that they can make better decisions, to build up that entrepreneurship mindset, growing mindset beyond textbooks, we would give a better gift for our kids. And I want to make sure that as a parent and a child, we work together. We don't offshore it to someone else. So this is a program coming not from a coach, coming from a father. So what I decided was, let's have a WhatsApp training where you will be getting the link, you share it in your laptop or in your mobile, and your child watches it with you. It is just about 15 minutes videos. You watch it 15 minutes time, 5 minutes videos, 10 minutes videos maximum, where you watch and you work together for about 15 to 30 minutes with your child for 5 days. That's it. So that you build up the thought, because speed reading is also important for you as a parent as for your child. So the bonding grows up, that's one thing, and you're learning. And as a bonus, because I want to encourage parents to be work with the kids, because that's what I see my child. He's so happy when he's with me learning. So what I've done is I've given an additional bonus of ebooks, so that you as a father, as a mother, can also read books with them. Because I know many of us, we want to read books, we know the importance, but we don't get the time. But right now, this is like a teamwork with you and your son or your daughter. Just like I want to do it with my son, I know most parents also want to do that. And that's the reason I've created this program, very affordable, just in the price of a cappuccino, that's it. And I have taken sessions previously in schools in Bangalore and everything, but this model is different. It's a WhatsApp training, short videos, and then I'm also doing a live session so that I see results happening, because I know when there's live sessions, there's more results, better results coming up. So in the week, I'll do live sessions also, and then there'll be a graduation ceremony also. So this is like a team where the father and where the parents and the kids do it, and you and me also do it as a team, because I want to make sure we start a movement for helping our kids within that 30 minutes of the time we have, or 1 hour. So we are in both, the kid and the parents are in the same line. They're also growing themselves, and the child is also growing. So you can both, just imagine you and child reading a book and then finishing it off within 2 days or 3 days, rather than taking 1 month, 3 months. Child doing it, it encourages you as a father, as a mother, also encourages you to go ahead and read. So you're working together, and that is what I want. So this is my efforts. So if you're interested, just go ahead and say interested, and leave your WhatsApp number. We'll be sharing it in the WhatsApp, the details, or you just do that, and let's start this movement and see. You can see the work which I have done with many students, and let's see, because I want to provide the best for my son. If I'm focusing on my son, I'll definitely focus on others. It's just scaling the system. As parents, we're working as a team, not offshoring to me and like, Saud, you take care of my son. No, I don't want that. We need to take care of ourselves, our kids. Let's take care of our kids, not my kid, our kids. Yeah, that is what I want. Let's work together as parents. So this is something new I'm starting for this group. So let's support each other and join this group. I encourage you, once again, interested parents to be parents, or even if you want to join in, if you are interested in reading, it's just a price of cappuccino with a bonus ebooks, 3 ebooks, bestseller ebooks, I'll be providing so that we develop that initial interest and start reading more books, because the future of kids are in our hands. We cannot offshore it to schools anymore. We need to make sure they start reading, exploring on their own, and we are together in there with them. All right. Thank you very much. Interested parents, please leave your WhatsApp number in the comments, and I'll definitely get in touch with you. Thank you very much.